Retro typewriter vibes with modern tech? FINEDAY Keyboard 2.0 Plus Review. Prepare to click. Ever felt completely stuck staring at your screen, fingers sluggishly tapping away on a dull, lifeless keyboard? If typing feels like a chore, and your setup's blocking your creativity, you're not alone. Whether you're drowning in reports, slaving over emails, or just gaming casually, using a boring keyboard kills your vibe and focus. Your old keyboard's uninspiring keys, annoying disconnects, and constant recharging needs are slowing you down more than you realize. Every click should feel satisfying, not like punishment. If your workspace is draining your energy, it's time to admit your tools are failing you. And the more you ignore it, the worse it gets. Deadlines creep closer, but your productivity spirals. You start avoiding tasks you used to love, burned out by mundane, clickless typing and tech that constantly betrays you mid-task. You're juggling tabs, devices, and cables, yet everything's tangled, mentally and physically. Let's not even mention that clunky laptop keyboard that leaves your wrists sore after hours of typing. Sound familiar? You're trapped in a productivity nightmare. Every missed opportunity, every minute lost, every email not sent, that's your old setup stealing success from you. Here's your breakthrough moment. Meet the FINEDAY Keyboard 2.0 Plus. This retro-style mechanical masterpiece isn't just a keyboard, it's your new obsession. Feel the clickety-clack satisfaction of Outemu blue switches with every tap, boosted by ergonomic design and a nostalgic typewriter-style lever that transforms your typing into an art form. Power? A whopping 5,000 mAh battery keeps you going for days. With Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and wired connections, you'll glide across up to 5 devices effortlessly. Built for creators, writers, gamers, and anyone who wants more than just a keyboard. It's retro. It's modern. It's iconic. Imagine typing flowing like music, satisfying clicks, responsive feedback, and an aesthetic so cool your desk becomes Instagram-worthy. Instantly switch between devices, crank up the volume with a twist of a solid aluminum wheel, or adjust your LED backlight without breaking flow. No disconnections. No dead batteries mid-sentence. Just pure, uninterrupted creative freedom. Whether you're firing off work emails or writing your next novel, the FINEDAY Keyboard 2.0 Plus is designed to keep you locked in and inspired. Curious? Dive deeper in our full review and experience the keyboard redefined. Stop typing on regret and start clicking towards joy. Thousands of creators and professionals have already upgraded, why haven't you? Limited stocks of the FINEDAY Keyboard 2.0 Plus are vanishing fast. Act now. Don't let another dull keyboard kill your vibe. Buy today. Feel the difference from your first tap. Secure yours now before it's gone. Join the clickety-clack revolution. Your fingers and focus will thank you.